This is Accelerating Tech and welcome back to another video. In this video I have chosen the best parts that can fit under the budget of 20,000 rupees, which can give a decent gaming performance. So let's begin. By the way, this is an AMD build. Coming to the main part. For processor I have chosen AMD Ryzen 3. This is a second generation desktop processor which has 4 cores and 4 threads. The base clock frequency is 3.6 GHz and it can be boosted up to 4 GHz. It comes with an integrated Radeon Vega 8 graphics, which can play most of the games and esports out there. For motherboard, I have picked the GB A320M motherboard. This motherboard supports AMD Ryzen with 2nd Gen Radeon Vega graphics and 1st Gen Radeon Vega graphics processors. It also supports a series processor. This motherboard comes with high-quality audio capacitors and an audio noise guard. It has Smart Fan 5 features, 5 temperature sensors, and 2 hybrid fan headers. It is based on AM4 socket. For RAM I have chosen the Corsair Vengeance 8GB DDR4 RAM. This memory stick is clocked at 3000 MHz. Even at a 20,000 rupees tight budget, we are not going to compromise with memory, and that's why 8GB RAM stick is the ideal choice. You can use this RAM stick for up to 40,000 rupees PC build. For storage I have picked the Segate Barracuda 1TB hard disk. This is an internal hard drive. It is an optimum choice for a budget gaming PC build. It offers effective storage space to store your favorite games and movies and also enhances the performance of your PC. Powering our system is the Corsair VS 450W 80+ white certified SMPS. This power supply is more than enough for our PC since our PC does not have any dedicated graphics card. This power supply is well built, looks good, and power efficient. At last for the case, I have chosen a cabinet from Chiptronex. This is a RGB ATX mid-tower cabinet. It is a cheap cabinet for your PC, but it is an excellently designed mid-tower cabinet with front RGB strip. It has one USB 3.0 and two USB 2.0 and HD audio ports. The cabinet has 2 slots for HDDs and 1 slot for SSD. This is an overview of total price of components mentioned in this video. The prices which I have mentioned will always vary from time to time. So try to buy the components when the prices are low. Overall, this is the best budget gaming PC build under 20,000 rupees. Hope you like this video. If you do, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.